Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, CaptainFishbeard.com. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a dragon. I'm going to teach you a couple of things in this video actually, so stay tuned, it's a good one. Okay, so we start with a dragon. Generally, when we are starting a drawing, we always start with shapes. So, for a shape of a dragon, it's going to be a rough, sort of rounded triangle, because we're going to go for quite a small, sort of pointy head on a dragon. So there's the initial shape that we're going with. And I've got some ears, which I think I'm going to go upwards like that. We're going to have very specific shapes to deal with on the head. Another one there like that. These are just very rough and very light, so hopefully you can see them. His body is going to be a big one, so basically a big circle along there. We can follow those lines in a minute, and then the long neck just connects the two, like those. Kind of a curve on the tail, I think. I assume that the this one's going to go maybe like just up like that, and then we're going to have some basic sort of wiggles for the arms here and here. So back legs there. Again, that's just a circle, that's just a circle. We're only taking half of that there. This dude's going to be behind, as we've sort of shown before. On a dragon, obviously, we need wings. These are going to come up like a balloon. Before you start making it into a balloon animal, you've got a balloon that starts coming up like that. Okay, you see that sort of almost a banana shape, sausage shape, should we say? A long sausage, and then that coming out from that, you're going to need the sort of flappy bits coming out the back like that. So you can either just do a big semicircle like that, which is probably the easiest way, or you can sort of make these into half circles along the edge there, give them a bit more depth, and then you can start sort of putting lines in to connect those, and you start to get the shape of the wing. Another one on the other side there, exactly the same sort of stuff, but obviously you can't see all of that one. You put a line around there to cone off that bit there, so a little bit of a cone. That's your guide for where your eyes are going to go. And already you've got this quite plump looking fun little dragon here. So let's start with a bit more of the detail. So taking that, because the ear's going to go behind over those. Again, you can see the really simple shapes that we've got going on here. Excuse me. These are coming back down this way. You can see that follows onto there. The wing we follow up like this. And we can follow those shapes that we did a moment ago. And then we can just take one of those on the same line as that balloon or sausage down like that. It just gives a bit of an indication. Again, these lines that we did here, to just do a little bit along there. Sort of shows where the wing is, where the wing's going. The sort of skeleton under that. I just realised I did that way. I just realised it should probably be going this way, shouldn't it? So there we go. Don't follow my advice on the first bit. We'll pop the eye in as well. So we put this guide thing in here for where the eye should go. So with a sort of eye, you can do a round eye like that, like a cartoon, or you can do a more realistic eye. Nostrils, and do a little mouth under there like that. So you can already see it's he or she is starting to take shape. I'm going to put those little hand details in here. Again, you can do those hands however you like, however you're confident in doing them. Just copy mine if you're not wanting to experiment with it, but if you've got your own style of hand, go for that. That comes down like that. It's a bit like a dinosaur. You can put this same sort of webbing effect on the tail as well. It'll help you look a bit more dragony. Back leg coming off like that, just exactly following those lines that you did a minute ago. Coming off, claws maybe on the back of those as well. There we go. And with the dragon, you can, if you follow the body line with the line like this, a very thin sort of line underneath there. You'll often see dragons depicted with a different colour underneath the belly. So there we go. That's the sort of flying dragon technique. And I said I was going to show you a couple of things here. What I also wanted to point out in this one is what we do. If you wanted to do a smaller or a baby dragon, we would have completely different proportions. So the dragon, typically as we see them and as we draw them, is a really big, powerful body and a little tiny head. That's generally how we see a dragon in a fantasy film or a cartoon or something. If you're drawing any sort of baby animal or even baby human, they have much bigger heads and smaller bodies. So what you do on a baby dragon is, in proportion, quite a large head. So you're going to do the same sort of rectangle like this that we did here, Again, at the pencil stage, don't worry. If it doesn't look right, just do it again. If I did like that there, just doesn't look right, doesn't matter. Just do it again. Because at the pencils, you can always rub these out at the end, and we fully intend to. So little ears like that. Again, the eye should be bigger in proportion to the head as well. And I'm going to draw him coming around this way just to show you the slight other difference of curve. So this one had a sort of a downward curve and then sort of curling around there as around a sort of circle there. This one's going to be the opposite way around. So the sort of baby dragon's looking up at the bigger one. So I'm going to draw it basically coming around like that. Again, it's a circle. So I'm going to draw the tail coming off like that. But again, you can see that's the shape there, isn't it? That's the circle. And then it's all shapes or partial shapes. It's actually probably a bit too big. This is probably not quite a baby, but a younger dragon, all the same. Smaller circle there, imagine that. We're working around with that one. This little foot there. Again, basic shapes there. Little same hands as the other one. I think we're ready to ink on this one as well now. Obviously, you'll take more time on these and add colour and make them look beautiful with scaly skin and lovely other details. But I'm being quite quick with it because I don't want to waste your time. I want to show you these things as quickly as possible. Really big swoopy line there. Again, don't need to follow the line exactly. As long as we've got the basic shape in there, that is absolutely fine. I'm going to draw some of the more, there's a webbing on that side there. These are your dragons. There's no right or wrong way to do these. That's the great thing with drawing. We start off with a completely blank slate, and whatever you make on that page, it's yours, and you created it. And no one can tell you it's wrong because it's what you did and therefore it's right. So again, on this one here, it's going to have a little tummy coming on over there. You can add all sorts of things to these guys. If you want to give them horns, if you want to breathe, they can breathe fire, then great, go for those sort of things as well. I didn't do any wings on this guy. Again, I think it's quite funny to draw quite small wings on a larger thing like this. There we go. Very quick wings, exactly the same way we did those wings for the adult one as well there. So there you have it, how to draw a dragon. Well, two dragons, one older one, one younger one. So the proportions are slightly different, but the techniques are all the same. It's exactly the same sort of techniques we use in all of these videos. So I'll see you next time on my How to Draw channel, CaptainFishbeard.com. Cheers, bye bye.